I was working finance, so I was doing a lot of data, connection, processes, information.
I was a freelance translator before Wagon.
Before I joined Wagon, I was a project manager at a software development company. So I got to see people coding, but I never actually myself got to do that.
Before I joined Wagon, I studied hotel management in Ireland. And then I was working in Seychelles, I was working in Greenwich, in hotels.
I was really into Excel and manipulating data, and this kind of turned into curiosity how to go deeper. Wagon found me on Facebook, and I clicked on a link and decided maybe coding is something I'd be interested in.
Working at the software development company, I saw other people coding and I saw what other people were doing. And the more I saw that, the more I wanted to do it myself. And not just for my company, but I kind of started thinking if I know how to program, if I know how to code, I can make whatever I want.
We were struggling a lot with how to manage our data. But back then, we didn't have anyone who understand how to utilize technology to really help us improve the way we work. And so that's when I started to look into possibly to learn how to code.
Before this boot camp, if you would have asked me if I have good problem-solving skills, I would have said yes. I can solve all the problems. But then I came to this boot camp and I was given all these challenges, like the little challenges that we do every day. And I was like, I don't know how to approach this, I don't know how to do this. And I was just really struggling with just how to do the most basic of challenges. So one of my big takeaways is just really how I kind of reshaped my brain and how I'm thinking completely differently now.
We spend countless hours building mini applications for WeChat, web applications. It was great. I couldn't have asked for more.
I would recommend pretty much everyone to do it because it's not just coding. For me, it was I learned how to code, I learned a new culture, I got a bunch of friends who I'm going to keep in touch with and never forget.
I would recommend Wagon to a lot of ladies who have a job, who have very stable income, but we're looking for career change.
I think Wagon Chengdu is the perfect program for someone who is interested in technology, interested in learning how to code.
Don't be scared to jump into the water, and you'll get so much more out of it.